We worshipped that Vishnu that Padmavati said to Sukmati. We worshipped that Vishnu. We worshipped that Vishnu who on the Guru. We saw the Guru by rider is Vishnu. Vishnu is on the Guru. And we saw the Nilakanta Muni to the throat of the Guru, and that Vishnu is on the Guru. We worship that Vishnu, and not only we worshipped as the Jogasiddha Pandit, we worshipped his Janghadvaya. We worshipped that Vishnu's Janghadvaya because Vishnu's Janghadvaya is too beautiful. For the reason we worshipped that Janghadvaya Nilakanti Muni Jatha Guru Ragolai. Just that beautiful Sri Hari's Janghadvaya. We worshipped that Sri Hari's Janghadvaya, Sri Hari's Janghadvaya, Sri Hari's Janghadvaya.